class. Welcome for today's science session in 7th in our fields. How are you all, my petines? I hope you are fine, good, and be safe at your homes. I'm here in the fields to introduce you about the forest and its uses. Let me discuss first about the trees and their waste product. After that, we will go for the uses, right? So, waste product. These are the eucalyptus trees, right? And these wood is used for many purposes. First, I am talking about the waste product of these trees, right? So, waste product is bark. You can see bark of the trees. This bark is used for many purposes, and this is the waste product of the eucalyptus tree. Another tree we are talking about, that is kika tree, and this kika tree bark is even used. You can see this bark can be taken out, and for many purposes we are using this bark. And one more waste product which is given out with this kika tree instead of bark, that is gum. You can see we can take out this gum. This is the gum. It's a natural gum that is taken out from this kika tree as a waste product. The tree, that name is red mulberry. It's also known as satul tree, and its branches and leaves are used to make the baskets. Wooden baskets are made from branches of these tree. So you can see this, they are quite dry and they can be utilized for making the baskets and hard balls and many other wooden equipments also. We are talking about another tree. Its name is sesame tree, and it is easily available in our fields, and its wood is very hard comparative to other trees. So its wood is used for making the wood planks, doors, and even pillars also we are using to making from this wood, because this wood is quite strong than other trees. Yes, beta, we are talking about again one more plant. We can see over here is Sarcum bananalis. Its common name is sweet sugar cane, and in Hindi we used to say in local that is Sarkanda. And this is the plant which is used to make the wooden chairs which we are keeping in our garden. See, this is the bark. We can replace it. Now we are well aware with this stick. It's quite smooth and shiny also, that is used to make the furnitures and for the garden chairs. One more thing is there, with this we are also making the ropes also from this. This is quite effective and important part to make the wooden chairs that we are utilizing. Yes, beta, this is the arc plant we are talking about. We can see the flowers. We can see the milk is coming out from this plant. This is a waste product of the plant, and we are using this to make many antidotes and for medicines also. We will talk about further the uses of this plant also. Let's talk about one more tree, that is neem tree. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica. Its leaves, its oil, its bark, every part of this neem tree is used. So we are well aware with this plant, and it is found everywhere in our fields, even the gardens also. So let's talk about some benefits. First of all, it is very much used in the fever remedies, and we are using it for the smallpox treatment also. And muscular mosquito repellent is also being prepared by using these leaves and its oil. And to get rid of this intestinal worm, neem oil is also used. In the disease like eczema and proteris, it's also give relief. Many other uses are also there, which we are using in a day-to-day life of this neem plant. So one more plant we are talking about today, that is lemon tree. That scientific name is Citrus lemon. And again, this is a very important part of a medicinal purpose we are talking about. That is, its leaf, its bark, its fruit, every part is utilized to make the medicines. So let's talk about some uses of lemon juice first. Boost immune system, it increases and aids in digestion. It increases the concentration while we are studying and flushes the liver and kidney also. Suppresses the appetite. Nausea, vomiting like disease problems are also being solved. Prevent health failure also. Help wounds to heal faster. So creates a very good immunity. Help the body to remove toxins also from our body. It decreases the infection level also. In case of cough and cold, it is very helpful. In the respiratory disease like asthma, it is again very helpful. In the bone related disease, it's also utilizing a good role. For decreasing the acne, spots and pimples on our faces, it is very good remedy is prepared from using this lemon juice. And for the hair fall like disease and the skull is having many kind of problems, can be solved while using this lemon juice. So these are the important points that are used for preparing the remedies and for the treatment. So we have discussed many trees and plants in this lecture, and we also well aware with the forest and its uses. Generally we'll take a quick revision. That is, they help them to prevent the floods and replenish the groundwater. That's very important for us to take the drinking water. As we all know, that it is provide the food and shelter to the land animals, and they are providing a very good food shelter even to the monkeys, birds also. And we are utilizing this forest for many purposes in industries and the household things also. That's all for today's topic. See you twice. Try to learn the concepts. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.